So, hello developers, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. So, today we are going to learn about flexboxes, which is a very important property in CSS. You will use it many times, and by many times, I really mean because I use it actually every time I try to add styles. So, it is very important. So, you need to understand what a flexbox is and how it works. So, let's begin. So, let me create another file. And the file name would be third.html. Okay. Let me bring the plate. Yeah. Okay. And let's start our live server. Yes, it is open. Yeah. Third.html. Okay. So let's begin. So what is a flexbox? By flexbox, you can understand it by imagining, you know, a box. Okay, you have a box, and inside that you can fit more boxes. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, let me show you how it works. Let me create a actually flex boxes. You can okay. Let's just start. Div is a tag. It is just a normal tag. There's nothing to worry about it. Okay, you can imagine it by you know you can understand it by imagining it is a box. Okay, you can understand it by it is a box. So in this, what we are gonna do, we are gonna assign a class to it. Okay, class name, let's say first. Okay, and inside this I'm gonna create more divs. Okay, so it will be better for you to understand what is div and how it works. Let me create three. Okay, there's nothing here. Let me do something here. Let me add something. uh yeah. Okay. Let me assign some classes to it also. Actually, I don't need to assign classes to it because I can add CSS later. So in this video, we are gonna use internal CSS. Okay, because now we are not writing a code that is very huge, so we can use internal CSS. Okay, let's start. So let me first show you how. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can add CSS to a specific class. So I'm not going to repeat that. Okay. So let me first add it. Dot first. Let me add a background color to it. Background color. Let me let's assign. Do I have sky color here? Yes, I have sky blue. Let's see what happened. Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah. So you can see it is created. Okay. It is created. Let me add some height and width to these divs under the first class. So how can we do it? It is very simple. First, let's then div. Let's assign height. Let's say 20 VH. Let's get a square box actually. 20 VH. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Let's see what happened. Actually, you won't be able to see something, I guess. Oh, you can see. Yes, assign some background color to it. Okay, because otherwise we cannot differentiate between the first class and the leaves under the first class. Let's assign background color. Let's say what can we add? What can we add? Blue. And let's say color should be not column rule. Color it should be white. Okay. As you can see, it is here. Okay. Okay, now let's add border to it. Border 2 pixel solid red. As you can see, three divs are here. Yes, you can imagine it by imagining a box. Okay, so okay. Let's increase the height of the first class. Let's see, height equal to 80 VH. 80 VH. VH is a measurement. Okay, so it is increased. Okay, so now the real fun begins. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now the real fun begins. So as you can see, now if you want to center all of this, how can you do it? Okay. So there is a way. That is, if you make it display flex, okay, and justify content center, it will be in center. Okay. But as you can see, it is coming in a row because the default value of flex direction is row. If I make it column, flex direction column, okay, let's see what will happen. This will be in, okay, this is now in a column. If I want to center it, what can I do? I can assign another property here. I can use another property, that is align items center. So 1 minute. As you can see, it is in center. Let's say I want to maintain a gap between them. What can I do? Instead of using center, I will use space around. We can use space around. So it will use some space. As you can see, there's a space left here. There's space here. There's space here. There's space here. Because it is leaving some spaces, and in that spaces, it is dividing the space. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. If I do space evenly, okay, space evenly. Uh, as you can see, the spaces between all of these, this space, okay, this space, this space, and this space is equal because it is using space evenly. If you use space between, so as you can see, there is no space here or here. The space is in the middle. Okay. Let me show you. If I remove flex direction column, what will happen? This will happen because it is now the orientation of this, whole thing is in uh, horizontal plane because it is in row. The default value of flex direction is row. Okay, there is some other properties also, as you can. So let me show you other properties of this. That is some other properties can be. Oh, let me add something. Let's see, it's hello 1, it's hello 2, it is hello 3. Okay, as you can see here, this is hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Now, if I want that hello 3 should be in first, what can I do? I have an option here. I don't have to change it here, so I can change it in CSS. That is flex direction row reverse. 1 minute. Row reverse. Sorry. Flexation, let me row reverse. Yeah, that is why I was thinking why. Yes, now you can see hello 3 is first, then hello 2, then hello 1. Now, if I remove here, if I remove space between an and around, space around here. What would be that this is what will happen. Okay, what I added, space around, so there is space around all of these. Okay, not even spaces, but yeah, there are some spaces left here and here, as you can see. So this is the end of this video. Okay, because in the next video we are going to build a project, and that project will be a responsive navigation bar, as you see in most of the websites. Because if you are building a website, this responsive nav bar is a very necessary thing. You have to follow it. So bye bye for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because my subscriber count is not increasing, and that is a real problem. So yeah, please do subscribe.